Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start the process to get your California CCW permit using a simple 5-step guide. So this is helpful because it shows you what to prepare, what happens next, and what to expect from start to finish. After the 2022 Supreme Court Bruin decision, California moved toward a shall issue style process, meaning there's a set licensing process. Meet the requirements, complete the steps, and you can be issued a permit. So here are the 5 steps. So step 1, check your local agency requirements. Your county sheriff or city police department handles CCWs, and each area can have extra rules. Go to their official CCW page and read the requirements and fees. Step 2, submit your application. You'll provide ID, proof of residency, and other personal history info. You'll also list the handguns that you want on the permit, including make, model, and serial number. Some agencies may require live scan, character references, or a psych screening. Step 3, background interview. So this can be in person or online. They review your documents, ask questions, then decide if you can move forward. Step 4, training and qualification. Initial permits usually require a 16-hour class. Renewal are usually 8 hours. You must qualify with each handgun that you want listed using the DOJ qualification form, and you generally need an 80% passing score at different distances. And step 5, pay final fees and get issued. So fees vary by county, and you'll also pay for training and extra requirements. Wait times also vary from about a month to up to a year depending on where you apply. So after you're issued, make sure you understand where you can and cannot carry. Rules can change and court injunctions can affect sensitive places rules under SB2. So always verify current restrictions. So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.